गोमेकोचे सुपर स्पेशालिटी ब्लॉकात 1 सप्टेंबराक 8व्या माळ्यार IUI आणि IVF केंद्र सुरू केला. दुयेंतींचे नोंदणी खातीर हे केंद्र स्थापन केला. भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेचे हजेरेत उक्तावण जाल्ले. हांगा मोफत उपचार मेळटात.
Today what we do in Goa, our total focus today is interacting after this function with the couples that are come to register. I also understand there is a tremendous amount of confidentiality that has to be maintained, and also in addition to that, we have deliberately called our Mukhya Sevikas to pass on the message across the state of Goa as to what are the facilities that are there in Goa Medical College today. Today it's the Prime Minister, the different verticals through which we get money for the healthcare. It is Narendra Modi ji and his philosophy, his vision, which gives us more power, more encourages us and inspires us to see that we are on the delivery mode. And if we are on the delivery mode, then we will be able to provide more and more services to the people. I am very fortunate and happy to have been the health minister of the state for the last 12 years. It's a long tenure, but during this tenure, somewhere you get a sense of satisfaction that you have been able to do A, you have been able to do B. You have been able to provide relief to the common man. You have been able to provide best quality care, best practices. And today, we are also proud. Dean was with me. I will share at some other occasion as to what level we want to take healthcare. We are going to ensure the media is here, people are here, doctors are here, that in the next 6 to 8 months, you will see what is the transformation that is taking place in the area of health. We are not dependent on somebody telling us what we should do, but we are dependent on what needs to be done and advice on how we are able to save people's lives, how we are able to provide the best quality care to the people, how we are able to up our game in terms of saving lives and also giving the best quality in different types of treatment. We have another department which is there, the Department of Robotic Surgery, which we want to do in the Goa Medical College, which was our vision. Today, standing here in front of you, I would like to tell all the couples who have come here with a lot of hope that you will go home smiling. You have the best of people here who are here to take care of you. Dr. Kedar, Dr. Muriel, and you know, I have something in my mind. I have something in my mind that comes from the inspiration of our leader, the Prime Minister of the country, is to see that we work differently. And let me tell you something. That hype that was created through media, not without any saying the media, but through the media, they're saying that the Delhi model, there is no Delhi model. The Delhi model is not a model that you need to be replicating. We are talking about a Goa model that will be replicating all over the country, and that is how we want to move forward. We are here delivering. We are here making things that were never accessible to somebody. People used to give up the hope that they want to have a child because they couldn't afford that type of treatment and that the cost of treatment was too high. Today, we have made that accessible and made that free of charge so that you can have that wish of having a child in your house. It has become a reality through the state government of Goa, and the vision of the Prime Minister to take it forward. I am happy and I would like to assure you that whatever we do, we are going to do it with all our heart.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि निखिल जल्मी.